I bought this old pen plotter off Marketplace to see if I could turn it into a vinyl cutter. It's very old and no longer supported by any modern operating system. But it does contain some great hardware. This is all of the circuit boards that were in it. We have a power supply, driver board, logic board, and serial interface board. I'm going to replace almost all of those boards with one of these. It's a board based on an ESP32 microcontroller, so it supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and we can interface it with USB. The pen down action is controlled by a solenoid which we can drive with a spindle output to give varying cutter pressure. The stepper motors will be driven by these TMC2209 drivers that are good for the 1.2 amps at 24 volts that we need. These install straight into the controller board. The controller board will be running the Fluid NC firmware, which is a port and improved version of the Gerbil CNC machine controller firmware originally written for Arduino. I connected the steppers to the controller board along with an X-axis home position sensor, and after some tuning I had it homing and able to draw some things with the pen. The plotter also has some fans to suck the paper onto the roller. I used one of the spare output pins to drive a FET that switches on the fans by using G-code. It's equipped with a pen changer as well that I was able to partially get working, but auto tool change is not yet supported by Fluid NC. I bought one of these cheap cutter attachments off Amazon that comes with a variety of blades and it fits nicely in the pen holder. I tested it by cutting some paper, which worked extremely well. Unfortunately, when it came to cutting the vinyl, the holder was not able to grip the cutter well enough at a pressure that would cut through the vinyl, so I 3D printed this clip to go around the holder to make sure the pen is held in place. And there we have it, cutting vinyl perfectly, and all I had to do was weed it out, apply transfer tape, and apply the sticker. The all-up cost for this project was less than $100, including the purchase of the plotter, which has now become a useful machine and kept out of landfill.